Infiltration issues in Jharkhand have reached a critical point, prompting the High Court to take unprecedented action. Recently, the Jharkhand High Court, led by Justices Sujit Narayan Prasad and A.K. Rai, issued strict directives to remove Bangladeshi infiltrators from the state. The court demanded that the state administration locate and report on these infiltrators within 2 weeks. The focus of concern lies particularly in Central Pargana districts bordering Bangladesh, where reports indicate an alarming rise in new madarsa and instances of forced marriages involving tribal girls. Reports suggest that infiltrators first enter West Bengal from Bangladesh before making their way into Jharkhand. They often target tribal girls, marry them under false pretenses, and exploit their tribal identity to acquire land illegally. This infiltration not only threatens local demographics but also affects local elections. Recent reports indicate significant increase in Muslim votes in certain areas, raising concerns about electoral integrity. Local MLA Anant Ojha has raised alarms about the sharp rise in Muslim votes in his constituency, linking it to the influence of infiltrators. He has called for urgent action from the State Election Commission to address this issue. As the debate intensifies, the Jharkhand High Court's proactive stance marks a pivotal moment in addressing infiltration challenges. The state's response in the coming days will be crucial in safeguarding its integrity and ensuring fair representation in elections. What are your thoughts on this issue? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our updates on this and other pressing issues. Thank you for watching.